So I've been wanting to do this for so long. My iPhone is running iOS 12.5.7 and I've always wanted to downgrade it to iOS 10.3.3 for some reason. As you can see, I've signed off of my iCloud account and I didn't enable Find My iPhone in case I iCloud lock myself. So now that I've got those out of the way and I removed the SIM card, it's time to actually get to the downgrading. You may notice that this is a different computer from the one I usually use, and that's because this is just a secondary laptop just sitting there rotting away in the house. I'll tell you some specs about this laptop. So it used to have a 1 TB hard drive, but now it has a 256 GB SSD. It has 4 GB of RAM and an Intel Celeron N4000, which is basically like a dual core processor, hence why I've just opened Firefox a while ago. I've just double clicked on it, still didn't open up, so just bear with me. Here, we love keeping you safe, I know that. I'll write legacy iOS kit releases, and then we go to the first GitHub link, and then we'll go to the x86 64. It is downloading pretty fast. 11 megabytes per second is is honestly really fast. We'll go to open file, we get our unarchiver thing, we click on open, and there we go. All file operations have been completed. Here we go, we just close this, and then we give this Linux a sense of meaning, and we go to the terminal, because what's Linux without a terminal? I don't know, first I'm gonna try downgrading it to like iOS 7 or something, but we'll try the restore.sh file. We'll drag it to the terminal. Again, this doesn't work only for Linux, but it works also for Mac OS, but it doesn't work for Windows. There is a Windows version, but I don't think it's stable or reliable, and it doesn't even get updates at all. God, I hate these seizure looking thingies on the screen. It's finally done, and we can drag our restore.sh file once again. We're just gonna plug the iPhone in. So here we got our cable. We're just gonna plug it into the computer. Oh shoot, there's only 2 USB ports. Wait, what? Are you kidding me? This computer has 2 USB ports, not 3. But what do I care that it has a CD drive? Let's try unplugging the USB key. Oh no! Oh no! Don't disappear! I'll plug you back in. No, don't disappear. No, 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 no. Ah. Oh my days! I didn't think about this. Oh shoot! No! Stop! Oh my days. And now I see why I use my computer. You know what? Screw this computer. I've unplugged the USB key and I'll just be moving on to my main computer. Jump cut! Now we're back to my computer, and this dude is smiling at you over there, rather creepily. Here we have our iPhone again. Here we have our little cable. Here I'm just gonna set the terminal in the middle of the screen, make it a bit bigger. Time to drag the restore.sh file to the terminal once again. Then plug the iPhone in. I mean, my computer has like 3 ports of USB rather than 2. That other white computer. We hit the enter button, and this part usually takes a while. Time to drag the restore.sh file once again. Shaky wobbly camera, and the restore.sh file. Then we plug the iPhone in. UB GarageBand. Charging. Trust this computer. Yes, you better give it all your trust. Darken. Enter. Boom. Restore.downgrade. SHSH blobs. Don't think we need those for now. Restore/downgrade. iOS 10.3.3. I believe that's the least it can go to. Download target IPSW. Then we'll just wait. Alright, so let's see what will happen after 4 minutes of downloading. Wait, did I just say after? Am I getting British? So yeah, start restore please. Pwned restore, pwned DFU mode. Yes. According to the Fedora nerds over at Reddit, the pwning rate for A7 devices like the iPhone 5S is very low. It works spontaneous like in Mac OS, but for Linux it's gonna be difficult. So we'll see. Send device to recovery mode. Sure. I've never seen this iPhone in recovery mode or how the recovery mode screen looks like, so this will definitely be a first time. So we see our little spinning wheel over here, little tiny spinning wheel. Finding device in recovery mode. Why is it taking it so long though? Apple logo. Oh, iTunes. Get ready to enter to DFU mode. Huh, there's a little support Apple. So we'll try to enter DFU mode. Let's do it in real time this time. Unlike the confidence of the iPod, so pretty sure it's like the same process. I don't see how it could be any different. So the terminal so far is not responding. Oh, there we go. Installing pnev, whatever the heck. Installing Python 2. I hope this part won't fail because it failed from my iCloud locked iPad, but maybe that's because it's iCloud locked. I'm trying to downgrade an iCloud locked iPad without the stupid Arduino board thing. This is the part where it freezes and starts getting a bit anxious that anything will even work. Of course, the iPhone always stays in the black screen. So let's just skip until something happens. OMG, something's happening. Sorry, I'm being distracted on my iPod. Okay, so Python 2 for Python there. Placing device into Pwn DFU mode using iPwn DFU. Restoring, performing, USB port, releasing device handle, acquiring device handle. Unplug and replug the device 2 times. Interesting. Unplug and replug the device 2 times. Sure. Unplug, replug, then unplug, then replug. Then hit enter. Yeah, this... Oh my days. Please run the script again. Okay, so let's try to exit out of this Pwn DFU madness. Let's just hold the power and the home button both at the same time, hoping this will do a restart. Hello? Oh hey, the iPhone is... Let's try to get it to recovery mode from now. Oh hey, it is in recovery mode. Here we have our options again. Restore/downgrade. Again, they were right that this is a very low success rate, but I'm still confused. Like, does it really need Pwn DFU? I mean, it is unsigned. Oh shoot, yeah, right. The DFU mode, right. This is out of focus, sure, but still, I don't have time to focus on the focus. Funny. Every time you see the fingerprint smudged screen. There you go. We are acquiring our device handle once again. Found CPI, blah, 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 back to this whole stuff. And so if this doesn't even work, okay, again. Unplug, replug the device 2 times. Yes, sure. Unplug, replug, enter. Downloading firmware JSON. OMG, we're getting somewhere. Oh, no way. Did I just say OMG? but wait, we're getting somewhere. At least, or maybe I'm having too much hope. Okay. This is seeming good so far. Let's just pause. Oh, right error disk full. Who cares? Continue. Release plist right error disk full. Like, is it just gonna keep telling me that the disk is full? Do I have to factory reset it? Maybe. Yes. Device found in DFU mode. Yes, of course it will erase all data. Booting iDevice to disconnect and then reconnect. Okay, disconnect and reconnect. What is this iBEC? AP nonce in recovery mode. Oh my god, there's a yellow screen. Oh my god, there's an Apple logo. Oh, it's a black... Oh my god! We're getting somewhere! Oh no! No way! Checking file systems... Oh, we're getting somewhere! I didn't expect it to just succeed this fast! Checking file systems? I don't think it should fail in here. I mean, we have our restore screen. There is a loading bar, of course, and we'll wait for something to happen. Stuff is happening for sure, and I see a little black spot on this screen, so it is definitely doing something. Sending file system now. We see a progress bar over here, and it is indeed changing over here, so we'll wait for this progress bar to finish. Meanwhile, I'm gonna be playing Guitar Hero on my iPod Touch. I also have Tap Tap Revenge, and do let me know if you want me to make videos about them. Done sending file system. Verifying restore, and we're halfway through the line. Okay, it is moving, so okay, we're getting close. We are stuck in the end. We're updating baseband. Oh, done. Restore is done. Oh, really? Sure. We'll see about that. Okay, so we get our little Apple logo in the white background, and we'll see if we succeeded, or at the worst case scenario, iCloud locked ourselves, but I don't think that's possible, so we'll wait. Still another line, but I'm pretty sure it will disappear right before the line even finishes. Okay, so the line is done, and I've heard the charging sound. Okay, so that is indeed the iOS 10 font. So, sure, we'll click on the home button. No SIM card. Yeah, I'm gonna install a SIM card, don't worry. Alright, so we've installed our SIM card, and we'll choose English, select country or region, choose a Wi-Fi network. It may take a few minutes to activate your iPhone. could not activate iPhone. What? What the hell, man? What do you mean? Let's click on try again and we'll see if we can. I didn't enable Find My iPhone in case I iCloud lock myself. Okay, so we get our little Apple logo in the white background and we'll see if we succeeded or at the worst case scenario iCloud locked ourselves, but I don't think that's possible, so we'll wait. I just iCloud locked myself. You know what? At this point, this one is linked, email or phone number. Can I? Congrats to me. I just iCloud locked my iPhone. My perfectly working iPhone. And my intrusive thoughts took over me. And there you go, an activation lock without even. That's not even my account. This random account, that's not even my account. So later I might try to bypass it even if I get no SIM service, but I've seen a way that can let you bypass it. You need a fancy bootable stuff, but this is the sad ending. I don't know if I'm even gonna bother with this iPhone, honestly. So yeah, subscribe because this definitely deserves a subscribe. So a sub would be greatly appreciated, like extremely appreciated at this point. Things I do. And I hope I see you guys later. Peace. Man.